Hello everyone and welcome to Music Academy International. Today Smokey is here, my beautiful dog. Okay, part 3. Today we're gonna move on the waltz in A minor. I'm gonna review very fast on the part 1, part 2, and I'm gonna move straight into the part 3. So again, left hand, I hope by now it's really looking smoothly going on 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, not poke, not too harsh, okay, on the bass, and then the other two counts are very soft. Then we having beautiful right hand crescendo, decrescendo, right hand crescendo, smoothly decrescendo or diminuendo according to the line. So everything needs to be graceful and with passion, with ease. Do practice on it to look like ease, okay? Then we had part B, in which we having a couple of mordents there, some ornaments. I'm calling them ornaments. Mordent, it's an ornament in my language. Here you're calling more like an embellishment, but for me it sounds better to say it ornaments because it looks like, you know, you have ornaments, you have some earrings on, and you just enhance the music, okay? I'm playing it one time. I'm not gonna repeat part B. I'm gonna just go straight forward to measure 25. Stretch the time, go and come. Stretch the time, don't forget that again. That's what it means to be romantic. Part 3 of the video. Okay, so we are at the measure number 33 on the waltz. Alright, left hand again, there are only two kinds. We're having again an E major and A major this time, compared with part B, you know, where it was minor. Right now it's A major, and that would be it to practice. So E, sometimes it's this, sometimes it's this, actually, you know, sometimes this, sometimes it's this, you know, first time it's this combination, it's a E7, so anyhow, first time is this combination, second time is this combination, third time is this one, fourth one is this one, so, and then A major. So I hope you're not gonna have any problem here. Okay, so the one that is giving you a little tiny bit more problem is gonna be the right hand. So first of all, you need to really establish your fingering, because even I messed up because I forgot the fingering or whatever. So you really need to make sure that exactly the same fingering you are using over and over again, because it's kind of, you know, in between the black and white keys here, so we need to pay attention. All right, I'm just playing it to figure it out, the best fingering that I could give to you, best combination of fingering that I could give it to you. Oh my God, I have something in my eyes. Okay, so let's see. And then, yes, and then I think the easiest one is to take the hands off here and start with number 3 on the Mordent. Okay, so goes. Let's see if I can find. Yeah. Okay, so crescendo. On the left hand, your choice of making the mordent on the same time with the left hand, right? Or as actually I'm doing it, it's with the main note. And then what I'm doing it again, I'm playing with the speed. I'm going faster on this part because it's more fun, it's more flirty, and more romantic. So I'm starting slow and then go fast and then slow and just playing around like. So as a technicality, what I would suggest here, I would suggest you to play, to try a couple of rhythms. Alright? After you actually know it very good. For grounding, so this is your exercise. That's the only one that is hard because this one, it's pretty easy. Obviously, first you just ground each finger, but then pay attention, don't give an accent on this one. Tira, tita, 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 tira, da, 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 tita. Grounding. Good. And now you can pause the video and we're gonna have what? The part 4, I believe, with the last, only the last two measures, 2 lines to the end. So where it's changing is to measure number 49. I'm actually following this one and it's gonna be a link below from Amazon. This edition, edited by Willard Palmer, right? So on the part 4, right now you practice, okay? Part 1, part 2, part 3, right? And then click on the next one video that is coming soon. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5–10 a month will really go long way. All our family friends and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much and God bless you.